A company specializing in the manufacturing of vacuum coating equipment, we handle everything from raw material to finished products. The first step in equipment manufacturing begins with the rigorous selection and pre-processing of raw materials. High-pressure water jet cutting ensures that every piece of material meets precision standards. Precision CNC machine lays a solid foundation for the core component of equipment. Multiple precision machining processes ensure a structurally precise, robust, and durable design. Welding is critical to the strength of the equipment. We use argon arc welding with attention to detail everything in every aspect. All electrical control cabinets are developed and manufactured in-house, ensuring stability, safety, and controllability. Structural electrical control and piping systems are developed in parallel with the entire machine assembled step by step. Finished products are neatly packaged and ready for shipment with nationwide delivery ongoing. Our capabilities are evident. We are your trusted experts in vacuum coating equipment manufacturing.